Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video about this piece of software I bought with my dad. It cost £40. Nero 2016 Classic that I'm gonna use to burn my episodes of Drive Around into the series onto a DVD to keep a bit of memory, because I don't want to lose this memory. So let's get on. Here I got the receipts. This is about a gift card or something. I don't understand these. So let's put it aside. Here's the box itself. There's the front of the box. It has the name, Nero 2016 Classic. Nero 2016 Classic. Your media suit. See? It's a difficult word to say. And here are the 4 features you can do with this piece of software. Burn and copy, create and edit, play and stream, rip and convert. And this is the picture of the software, of the program I'm going to use on my laptop. That's the side. It's similar to the front, but it's available for Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. I have Windows 10 on my laptop. When I bought it, it was Windows 8, but I upgraded it to Windows 10. The upgrade was free. It includes the apps for Android and iOS. Some additional information about some requirements and note. I'm not going to talk through this. It'll be too much. That's the picture, name. It's similar to this side as well. Here's the barcode and your legal information. And at the back, this is the blurb, a summary of what you can do with this software, this program, the 4 features, and all these things all the advantages of this program, and what it can be used for. And these are the logos for what this program supports or something. Inside here, if you open this Velcro up, you do have the 4 features as well. The pictures, got this, a camera, a laptop and a smartphone. This is the information about all these features, as well as what's new about these features. So it tells you what this piece of software can do. I've got a knife here. I couldn't find a pen knife, so this is not appropriate to use for this unboxing video. But this is the only knife I could find, a small knife, similar size to a pen knife. So let's unbox this. Open this side up, and here you got a DVD. the installation guide to install this program. It's in the plastic. Nothing much at the back, just the site and copyright information down below. It's in the plastic. I don't know how to open it. I think it'll take a while. Finally got this DVD out of the plastic, and let's open it up. You got the disc here, for installing the program, and your quick start guide to tell you how to use this program, this software. Let's put it back. And that's it for the unboxing video.